was forever, ever holding, never mind. Oh,
Lovely people, how are you guys doing? I hope you guys are doing well. I thought of doing a no contact reading. I see some of my soul tribe out there that I'm resonating with, you know, is in separation, is in no contact somehow. Reasons could be many, could be whatever, but it's good to cleanse your aura. Okay, it's good to cleanse your space. It's good to clean the negativity around you, toxicity around you. I hope you've done your manifestations on the new moon. Okay, so I'm pulling this out for those who are in no contact or in separation. Okay, their current energies, feelings, you and the person. We're gonna just see what you need to see. What are your messages? Okay. So, when we are in no contact or separation, it's all about healing. It's all about understanding that why the universe is doing what it's doing. Okay. Not questioning it really, but being in the flow and understanding that, obviously this is happening because, something is not aligned well vibrationally. So either you're not doing the work, you're not raising your vibrations, or the person you're thinking about asking about is not doing that. He asked me to stop. Show me the messages I need to see available for the ones who are in no contact or separation right now. Their energies, whichever way it kind of solvenizes. I'm going to use a little Palo Santo really to cleanse the aura in the air. Because I feel that, someone really needs it out there. Someone is really disturbed. And this is a very strong soulmate engagement. And I love this, okay? I send you this as well until eternity, guys, okay? Stay home, stay safe. COVID has been very difficult for all of us. So yeah, show me the messages for the highest good. For the highest good. For people watching and those who are in no contact, people who are concerned in no separation. What do they need to see? What's coming their way? If need be, I'll clarify this, okay? Page of Cups, Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio energy, the first card. My God, it is like they're really reminiscing about you, they're really thinking about you, but they've got their boundaries with the, Nine of Wands. They just don't know whether they should reach out to you. Cross waters, please use in a compass, okay? So this is psychic reading. It's just vibrationally we tap in and we see, okay? So, it's about they being in the field and saying, what to do with the Two of Wands. Waiting, asking, thinking, how should they do this and what to do about it. They're really in that energy right now, and they don't kind of know as to whether they should approach you because they're very scared that you might reject them. Okay. That is why probably they're not coming around. This could be 5 weeks, 5 months, or 5 days that you haven't been speaking to each other. But truth of the matter is that they're really thinking about you because you mean the world to them. Keep that in mind. You really mean the world to them. I see fire signs here, okay? With the Hierophant, let's see what this is about. Highly spiritual individual, we're thinking about, and someone who sees this relationship as that. They feel that, you are very spiritual and you basically match their vibration no matter what the circumstances are. You have that appeal to you. You have that vibration to you that really attracts to them. And with the Knight of Swords, this could be Gemini, Libra, Aquarius energy, air sign, that they really want to rush in, but something is holding them back. What is holding them back? We don't know. Let's see. So yeah, with the moon, this is Piscean energy. Essentially, I see that There's a lot of things we don't understand with the moon. The moon goes through its phases. We all know that, right? There's a gibbous moon, there's waning, there's waxing, right? And then it gets to the complete cycle. So just like that, our relationships, our life also goes into phases. So this is just a phase. They're just trying to tell themselves as well the same over and over. This a phase is going to pass out because they really miss you. They're really missing you right now, guys. If you're in no contact or separation, they just don't know what to do without you. They feel helpless. They just feel so helpless. They don't know what to do without you. This kind of pops out. I don't know. I should take this because this is visible, so I'm taking this. You got the 10 of Cups that came out prior, so you are everything to them. You just mean everything to them. Okay, do not doubt it. Use your inner compass, guys. I'm still saying that because I feel that out there people who are resonating know that the one you're thinking about or asking about sees you in that light. You are the 10 of Cups for that person. You bring about that emotional wellness to that person. You bring about the happiness to that person because you're not just offering them emotional well-being, but you also kind of honor them immensely. Considering with the Hierophant here, you honor what they bring in and how they bring in, what they bring to the table. Maybe they have not done their bit with the Moon here, the Two of Wands. They haven't done their bit and placed it well for you. Okay, that is what they're showing me right now. With the Chariot, they're trying to balance themselves as well. It's a soulmate or twin flame kind of vibe. Water energy, Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio energy. I see on the table, I see Taurus, I see Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, I see Gemini, Libra, Aquarius as well. So with the Chariot, they really worry. They're really worried that you might move on. And that is the last thing that they want. They can't afford it. With the Star, Aquarian. They really want this to heal. They really want to talk to you. They really want to come and tell you that they're ready. They've done the work and they're ready to put it all up for you because you mean the world to them. And they're ready to do anything because this whole romantic engagement they feel is very cosmically aligned. And this is not just a sensual partnership. They see it as a deep relationship. So that is beautiful, I feel, for some. I don't know. Let's see. Because it has to pop out well, right? I can't just pick up the card like that. It doesn't make sense. And I can't manipulate readings and say, what ye aaya tha. This came or that came. Because that way you're not being genuine, right? You have to honor what's coming in. With the Ace of Swords, it's about Michael, it's about travel, it's about truth, which triumphs always. They know that they have no malice in their heart for you and they want you to know that because that is what they're praying right now. And at the bottom, I can't help but take this card out with the Six of Cups. A lot of air energy, a lot of water energy, I see. So they basically think you are the ideal match for them. With you they can accomplish anything. They can kind of deal with any kind of hurt, pain, etc. because you bring in that emotional stability to them, that abundance to them. Even if something is not known to you, you bring out those answers well for them because you align everything for them in such a sweet, smooth way that they feel very happy. Because I read the cards in every respect, right? And they really want to come forward, tell you that how much they love you, and that's the truth. But it's just that it's just in divine timing, in order that it's going to happen. And but it's going to happen soon because you are the right one for them. You're the 10 of Cups for them. And with the Ace of Michael here, definitely, with the amazing Jupiter coming around, and with Chiron going retrograde, guys, keep that in mind. This could be a previous relationship. Because it is about no contact, no separation, so obviously you're not in touch. So this is coming big time to you. Okay, very unexpected, very unexpected. and do let me know if the person reaches out. And this is what I have for you. So I hope the reading resonates, and do give me a like and subscribe. Do promote the channel. And the mantra on the channel, as I say, is that to heal the world collectively. Let's spread joy, peace, happiness. I send you so much of love, so much of light, guys. Take care and be safe. Bye.